Consuming certain foods can lead to a reduction in body fat. When a person adds these fat-burning foods to their diet, they can burn fat and lose weight over time. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, do so by clicking on the subscribe button and tap the bell notification icon to be notified on more health and fitness videos like these. Also, be sure to check out our #1 recommended product for weight loss in the description below. Here are top 5 fat-burning foods for women. Whole grains. Eating whole grains is a sound weight loss strategy. In one study, people on a lower calorie diet that included whole grains such as whole wheat bread lost more belly fat than those who ate only refined grains such as white bread and white rice. Whole grains provide more vitamins, minerals, and fiber than refined, but overdoing whole wheat bread can add pounds too. Number 2. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes have gained a reputation for being a fattening vegetable due to its high calorie content, but that's not true though. In fact, sweet potatoes are considered as a healthy alternative to normal potatoes and have scientifically been proven to help in weight loss. Sweet potatoes are rich in dietary fiber, which aids in weight loss by formulating a gel-like substance mesh in the stomach. This makes you feel fuller for longer and thus prevents you from overeating. Fiber also promotes stool movement and supports the production of good bacteria. Consuming rich fiber sweet potatoes can improve metabolism, digestion, and thus aid in weight loss. Number 3. Veggies. Veggies tend to be weight loss friendly. Why? Most are low in calories and all offer filling fiber, which helps to tide you down over and decrease those urges to snack. Plus, the water content of vegetables usually increases the volume of the food. People can eat unlimited vegetables and still lose or maintain weight, so long as they are non-starchy vegetables that are raw, plain, or steamed with no oil, as opposed to being prepared with butter, oil, or sauce. Fruit. Fruit not only helps target belly fat, but it can also reduce the risk of some types of cancer and other chronic diseases. Plus, fruit provides essential vitamins and minerals, fiber, and other nutrients crucial for good health. Fruit is incredibly nutrient dense and full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, but it contains few calories, making it a good choice for weight loss. But try sticking to the whole fruit instead of fruit juice or dried fruit. 5. Oatmeal. The oatmeal plans are low calorie and low fat and include healthy food choices. Oatmeal itself can help you lose weight because it will help you feel fuller for longer than other foods. The fiber content of oatmeal can also aid the digestive system. If you have chronic constipation issues, consuming oats every morning will be very helpful. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and share it, leave a like, and subscribe. Be sure to check out our #1 recommended product in the description below.